Texas Instruments offers 3 models in their TLV906X series of 10 MHz operational amplifiers with rail-to-rail input and output swing capabilities. The TLV9061 is a single op-amp version, the TLV9062, which is comprised of 2 op-amps, and the TLV9064 is a quad op-amp device. These ICs are highly cost-effective solutions for applications where low voltage operation, a small footprint, and high capacitive load drive are required. Because this TLV906X family is unity gain stable, integrates the RFI and EMI rejection filter, and provides no phase reversal in overdrive condition, system designs can be simplified. Micro-size packages such as SOT-553 and WSON are offered for all 3 variants in addition to the industry standard packages. Ideal applications include e-bikes, smoke detectors, and wearable devices.